Pause for a dance break. Let's get real. Reel me in, why don't ya? The snuggle is real. Love you for real. Keeping it real. Okay, so that is all the real puns I could find on the internet and think of on the fly. That's my catchy way of saying, hey, come on in and watch this video where I'm gonna give you 10 real ideas for Instagram. If you haven't heard yet, Instagram has released its TikTok equivalent called Reels. It's 15-second video clips. They're designed to be short, entertaining, sound familiar. I've done a few videos on Instagram Reels for business, which you can check out right there. If you've ever struggled with video marketing in your business or just coming up with ideas of what to create for your videos, you're in the right place because in today's video, I'm going to share 10 real ideas that you can steal and create today to grow your business. And of course, stay tuned until the end where I'm going to share with you how you can get your hands on 300 real ideas for business. Yes, they are real and they are fabulous. That was another pun I just thought of. What I'm about to share with you has worked for Missy, who sent me a DM on Instagram. She made one reel, and from that video, someone inquired about her business, and she sold a starter kit to her essential oil biz. I'm Elise Dharma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators like yourself use Instagram to actually grow your business. I'm talking dollars. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 real ideas for your Instagram. Let's dive in, shall we? The first real idea is probably the easiest and simplest to make. It is a 15-second talking head tip. If that sounds familiar, yep, it's just like an Instagram story. Seriously, you can film yourself on camera sharing a tip in 15 seconds or less. That's it. Don't forget to add text, add music, or any fun effects that look good to you. What do you do if you don't yet have the audio function in Reels? You make your own audio. You can record outside, where it's a little bit noisy. You can record by the light of your laptop. The key is to hit this button and share a tip. The second real idea is what I call Yup, Nope. Now this one's based off of a specific song called Choices, but the filming is pretty easy. All you're gonna do is play the song and then film your head shaking yup or nope. That's it. After, in editing, you're gonna add text on screen where you're gonna pop up questions, ideally questions that your audience is often thinking, and you're gonna answer them with your head shake, yup or nope.
Nope. Yup. Nope. Yup. Nope. Yup. Nope. Yup.
The third real idea is get to know me, and this one's pretty easy and fun to make too. All you have to do is go to the music and find a song you like, hopefully one with a good, fun beat. Then you're gonna film yourself smiling or even dancing to the music if you'd like. After filming, when you're editing your reel, I encourage you to add text on screen that shares a small little story about you. Maybe how you got started in 15 seconds or less, or the story of how you got your very first customer, or why you chose to have the business that you have today. Go ahead and share something personal in text over top of your recording.
4, 3, 2, 1, let go. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy.
The fourth real idea is called before and after. And for this one, I recommend for you to scroll through the effects and find Green Screen by Instagram. This is one of my most favorite effects because it's so powerful. When you learn how to turn on the green screen effect, basically your background is going to go all green. You're then going to be able to pull up an image or a video from your camera roll that's going to appear right behind you. This could be a before picture of you before your business, or a before picture of a client before they experience your transformation from your coaching or your program or your services. So look for an image or a video that illustrates the before of what you do. And then you on screen, you're gonna be representing the after. This visual is really powerful. So if you do this one, make sure to let me know over on Instagram at Elise Dharma.
And it went like.
The fifth reel idea is called Snappy Tips, and this one's pretty fun and easy too. The idea is to find a clip of music, maybe it's available under the music feature or you're finding someone else's audio, but find a piece of music that has a good snappy beat. Then you're just going to film yourself snapping to the beat. That's it. Then when you're editing the video, every time you snap, I want you to add a tip, a short and sweet tip on screen at the same time that you snap. Now for this kind of video, you're gonna have to make sure that the text appears at the time of your snap. I've covered how to do this right here in this video, so be sure to check it out. The sixth reel idea is what I call book club. If you're an avid reader, or maybe you're reading a book right now for fun, an easy reel that you can make is simply showing off a book that you're currently reading. Or maybe it's a collection of books that you have found to be super helpful for you to grow your business. Go ahead and try this one out. You don't even have to be on camera.
That's just what I do, and that's just how we do it, yeah, that's just how we do it.
The seventh reel idea is called office check. Maybe you've heard that audio on TikTok. Boyfriend check, girlfriend check, hot mom check. This one I'm calling office check. And so if you can't tell from my tone, it's also a little bit of a humble brag. So let's say your office is looking especially sparkly clean one day. Go ahead and film a couple clips of your office, show some of the small things that really represent you and your personality. Add some music, add some text. The text could be as simple as office check. Go ahead and give your followers a sneak peek into what it's like to work with you for a day. The next reel idea is called outfit of the day.
Wait, Elise, outfit? What I'm wearing has nothing to do with my business.
And that's exactly the point. Instagram Reels are designed to be fun, short, entertaining clips. So you can definitely have fun with this, especially if what you wear has nothing to do with your business. Are you dressed up today? Are you dressed down today, like every day? Go ahead and share with your followers your fashion sense or lack thereof. Maybe what you wear day to day is kind of funny because you're all business up top and like pajama pants on the bottom. Go ahead and let your followers in. I don't think this is going to make you come across as unprofessional. It's going to make you human.
Just did a bad thing. Friday hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my God. That's my baby.
The ninth idea for your reel is commentary on a current event. For this one, you're gonna wanna use the green screen effect. The first step is to open your phone, look at the news, and find a headline or a news article that's related to your industry. Take a screenshot. Then in Instagram Reels, you're going to use the green screen effect and pull up this screenshot so that it's actually behind you. Then I want you to record yourself sharing your thoughts about this headline that's going to be right behind you in 15 seconds or less. With this type of reel, you want to share your position on the headline. Maybe it's a little controversial. Maybe you're going to rant a little bit. Maybe you have a snarky, cynical take on the headline. Whatever it is, this is going to be a really great way for you to differentiate yourself from others in your market.
She's so fine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. And it got fixed up to the nines. Let me show you a few things.
The 10th reel idea is called myth versus truth. In this reel, you're going to address a common belief that people in your industry or world have. What are other people in your industry saying that you disagree with? I want you to come on camera and state this out loud. Then, in the rest of the time that you have left, I want you to share what the new belief is, the true way of thinking is. Now, of course, you only have 15 seconds, so you're going to have to be short and sweet and snappy, but if you get this right, you might actually be able to change the beliefs of your followers in one 15-second video. This is powerful because once your followers have the right beliefs in place, that might make them more likely to become customers to your business.
All the lies I heard, I love you is my favorite. No goodbyes they hurt, I need to hear you say one time before I go, a whisper is over.
So there you have it, 10 real ideas that will keep you busy. I know I'm still working through that list, but I promise you this is a brand new feature from Instagram. So if you take the time to make the reels and experiment with this new feature, chances are your reel is going to get way more reach, new eyeballs, more views on it than any other piece of content that you've created for Instagram. I know I'm seeing this across the board. People's views are like 10x what they normally would be. So if you're feeling a little keen, a little curious, go ahead and try one of these ideas today. I mean, take Missy, for example, who I shared at the beginning of this video. She made one reel, and from that, she got a customer. So yeah, Reels is new, but it is powerful. Now, if you're excited by Reels and you just want to keep making more and more of them, I have something really cool for you. It's called Reels Vault. What it is 300 video ideas for you to make to grow your coaching business, your product business, or your service-based business. So if you like today's ideas, you're gonna love what's inside of Reels Vault. Go ahead and head to reelsvault.co to check it out. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me for today's video where I shared 10 real ideas for your business. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one. We did it!